What's up guys, Enzo Amistoso here again. And this time we did not make the same mistake as our last phone review, which was with the iPhone 12 Pro Max. We took 6 months to edit that video, but now that we have the iPhone 13 right here in our hands, we're going to upload this at the very week we shot it. So here we have the iPhone 13 128GB model. So this will be an unboxing video. I guess we don't have the facilities right now to test these phones side by side, and also I don't have an iPhone 12 to compare this with. So what we're gonna be doing is just unboxing this. So right off the bat, it's different because it does not have a plastic case anymore. Kudos to Apple for being that bit environmentally friendly. What it does have now is these stickers that keep these two ends of the box together. So you'll see that there is a green arrow on each corner. You're just going to pull this and it nicely cuts itself. We've actually set up a pocket knife here because we were scared we're not going to be able to open it, but there we go. Wow, so this is the pink one. Before we talk about the phone itself, we're going to talk about everything else that comes inside the box. So standard cardboard box with all of the documentation and the pin that you need to remove the SIM. It does have this Apple sticker, just one of it, and I guess the documentation that no one reads. And we have the charging cable. So the charging cable is USB Type-C inlet to lightning cable. So I said in my previous video that the iPhone 13 would not have a port anymore, and I was wrong. Unfortunately, it still has that lightning port and has not moved to USB Type-C. I would have loved to see the iPhone 13 in USB Type-C, but it has the same cable. I'm not sure if you guys are gonna invest in the Apple fast charger, but for me, I haven't used mine on the 12. I've stuck with a USB to lightning cable. So that's it for the box. There is nothing left in the box. So here we go. We have the iPhone 13, and right off the bat, it does feel weighty. I have the Pro Max as my personal phone, and we're gonna check out the weight, how this compares standard iPhone 13 versus a Pro Max of the previous generation. As I have heard, it has become quite heavy compared to the previous generation. So we're gonna start with the 12 Pro Max. We're gonna put it here. So it's 238 grams. We're gonna go and lay the phone down now. Well, it's 176 grams, but for the size, how will we'll compare this? There. So it's got about 1 cm at the top and about 70% of that on the sides. As for the thickness, it does come a bit thicker. Many of you would note the camera placement. So the camera placement, what I have noticed using this old camera design that Apple uses, having the 3 cameras put on a triangular setup versus this diagonal one, is that when you take a photo on Instagram with this phone, sometimes it will shift slightly to the left or slightly to the right depending on what camera it decided to take the photo with. Watching a few other guys review these phones, I was able to see that they were not encountering such a shift between cameras when taking the photos. So very nice touch that Apple has improved their camera system in that way. Aesthetically, it doesn't really sell to me. I don't like having the diagonal, but that's how to make it work and make it work properly. So thank you, Apple, for doing that. Maybe just better design overall in the camera to just make it look a bit more aesthetically pleasing. So without further ado, we're gonna execute the best part of every unboxing, and that is pulling off this protective sticker on the front. So it has changed a bit. It's more paper than it is plastic compared to the 12 model. And let's turn it on. Yes, it does have battery from the get-go, and you'll be able to see that there is a much smaller notch. Compared to the 12 Pro, it's got about, I would say, 40% smaller a notch. And yeah, that's it. That is my unboxing of the iPhone 13. Very nice phone to hold. Having the aluminum bezel makes it less prone to having fingerprints left on it, but it's not as scratch resistant as the stainless steel one. But I mean, this is the entry-level iPhone, and it does need to cut corners somehow to make it more affordable and more approachable. And having this aluminum body, we've had a lot of iPhones with aluminum bodies before, and they've worked well. I guess that's it. If you like this video, please hit the like button. If you dislike this video, please let me know in the comments below. And as always, enjoy your gadgets, guys. Bye-bye. Okie dokes.